Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Shall we wait for some more participants to join? Good evening.
Okay.
40 now. We are 40 now. We'll wait for a minute or two. Bala, you had difficulty in connecting?
Sir, before, sir, not now.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, madam. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Sir, I have connectivity issue before, sir.
Okay.
You asked me to...
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. I just had a message from you. That's why. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So before everyone joins, I really appreciate you all for the efforts that you are making, and you are all posting your work. People are commenting on it, and fellow participants are complimenting each other. Really great of you all. Let us continue to positively criticize so that others grow with aesthetic designing. It is not that we criticize people with the design, but for the improvement. We give suggestions for the improvement. Bala, could you please text them in the group to join fast sooner?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you, dear. Shall we begin? Because it is almost 4 minutes past. Shall we begin? Or shall we wait? Can I have your opinion?
You can wait for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Good evening.
Just post the attendance by 6:15, sir. Today we have to go for way of the cross, sir. By 6:15.
Okay, madam. Okay. I will leave you. But today we will leave little early. No problem. I shall leave little early. Sorry, I shall make you little early. Yeah, because you'll have to make it. Yeah. Shall
Good
we then
evening,
begin, madam?
Good evening.
Madam. Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to
Yeah.
ask one thing. Can we use Hindi font in this Photoshop?
Certainly, madam. Why not? Hindi font should be there in your system. If you have installed it, then very well you can use, madam. No problem. There is no bar. If the system has any font supported, you can definitely use. There is no bar of language.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Yeah. I think we shall begin, and we have waited enough and more. My dear friends, my dear learners, a very good evening to you all. I'm very happy, extremely happy that all of you are able to make it within 10 days. So many beautiful designs. I could see a lot of professionalism in the design. So creative, so professional, so aesthetic. I really congratulate every one of you for the effort that you are making. I appeal to you all at the same time, continuously practice. When you continuously practice, you will attain perfection. Slowly we will redefine the design and we will attain perfection, and it will look very, very professional. So today, I would like to give you a very, very important announcement. I shall make it at the end also. I will also give you in the group. Since we have got 10 days, I think 10 exercises is over, 10 sessions are over, 11 days plus 10 sessions are over. Now, I would like to reiterate the exam process or the evaluation process. Now it has got 100 marks internal, 100 marks external. 100 marks internal and 100 marks external. I shall tell you now how to go about first 100 marks everyday exercises that I am giving. So we'll go about 20 exercises, up to 20 exercises. Each exercise carries 10 marks. Each exercise carries 10 marks. Am I clear? Each exercise carries 10 marks. You are expected to complete 10 exercises minimum. Minimum 10 exercises are compulsory. Minimum 10 exercises are compulsory. Out of 10 exercises, see, please, once again, I shall make it. See, today, even now in Google Classroom, you have 7+ exercises, regular exercises. So you will go up to 20 exercises. Out of 20, it is compulsory to attain 10 exercises. Out of 10 exercises, your score is supposed to be 40. Okay, this is internal. 40 marks should be there, internal. And for external, we have got 3 marks. We have got 3 marks. Number 1, am I connected? Am I connected?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, because there is a small issue. Yeah. Now, external, 25, 25 and 50. 25, 25 and 50. First 25 we are going to have within the first half, first quarter, I mean tomorrow. Tomorrow, Saturday, will you be able to join in the morning? Will you be able to just do the exercise in the morning?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In our
No,
school,
sir.
exams are going.
Exams are going on, sir.
Okay. So will you be able to, okay. Then afternoon, what time will you be able, at the earliest? What time will you be able to come for the test?
Sir, not
thought-
before 5.
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to do at 5 o'clock? No problem. Shall we have it at 5? Shall we have it at 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So morning also we can have, sir.
Yeah.
Morning also
Oh.
you can join, sir.
Yeah, listen carefully. Those of you are interested to attend the morning session, you're welcome. No problem. Come at exactly, join by 10 o'clock, same link. Join by 10 o'clock. There will be 5 MCQs. There will be 5 MCQs. You will have to just answer it in Google Classroom. Sorry, Google Forms. I will instruct you. Don't worry. Evening batch starts by 5. Is that okay? Do you all agree? Any difficulty?
sir.
Any difficulty?
No difficulty, sir.
Okay. 5 o'clock we begin. And the test timing, first 15 minutes I'll give you instruction. And 5:15 you can start MCQ. After completing MCQ, 1.5 hours are given. 1.5 hours. You can leave off. You can go off. And you can design the exercise given for you. Each one will be given different exercises. Each one will be given different exercises, maybe whatever experiment that we have demonstrated earlier. Okay, you will have design and upload it a morning session. Those who are going to appear for morning session, you will have to upload it before 12 in Google Classroom, 12 o'clock. So 10 o'clock you are coming, and before 12 you will have to upload. Before 12 you will have to upload. And for evening batch, you join by 5 and you have to upload by 7. You will have to upload by 7. So 2 simple exercises will be there. 5 marks for MCQ, 10 mark for the first experiment, another 10 mark for another experiment. So totally 25 marks for you. Okay, this is for external. And internal, all the exercises are still on. You can submit it before we close submissions, before the end of the course. So that is internal. Okay, am I clear to you? So 25 marks test is going to be held. Is there any problem? Is there any difficulty? You can just contact me personally. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Dariksham, network issue, kindly share the recording if possible. Every day we are sharing the recorded version every day. I hope you people are using it, making use of it. Please make use of the recorded version if you need. Okay, right. Now, my dear friends, am I clear enough with the instructions that I have given you? Okay. So far we have seen different experiments, different demonstration on different designs. Today we are going to cover few tools, few paint tool, paintbrush, pencil and other tools, and 2 adjustments. That's all. This will support you with the previous designs that you have made. This will support you with the previous designs that we have made. Is my screen visible to you? Is my screen visible to you? I'll have to finish it little earlier today.
No, sir.
All is coming,
No,
sir.
sir.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Yeah, I think Sohila, sir, is the test about what we have learned. Yes. Whatever exercises given, demonstrated, that will be asked. Okay. Now look at here. I have my Mani sir, are you admitting? I think few are joining. Okay, thank you, sir. Now look at here. I have Alaya. Yes. I have a white colored background, a new file. Okay, new file is here.
Sir,
Now look at
size, sir.
no problem, madam. It's only for demonstration. It's
Okay,
only for
sir.
any size it can be. It's only for demonstration. You need not follow this. I'm not giving you any demonstration of design. I'm giving you instruction for the only tools. See here, under this we have covered up to spot healing brush, and patch tool. Now we are moving for brush tools. Are you able to see that? There are how many tools are here? There are 3 tools: brush tool, pencil, and color replacement. Click here, you will be able to see brush tool, pencil, and color replacement. There are 3 tools. Once again, I shall let you know: brush tool, pencil, and color replacement. Am I clear? Brush tool, pencil, and color replacement. When I click on brush tool, see, look at here on the top, just below image, on the top, click here, click that small downward arrow, and you see number of brushes are available. See this sharp edge brush, feathered brushes. I just draw it. Look at here. I'm able to draw a line. Look at here, the color. I can change the color. I can draw anything. Am I clear? See, I can also increase the size. See, I increase the size. Are you able to see the changes? I increase the size.
Yes, sir.
Increase little more. Am I clear? Are you able to see that? See here, I just increase. So this is with brush. Once again, I shall tell you. But I have chosen this brush tool. It is located in the first tool of brush set, brush tool. I click over here. I can choose any brush here, any brush. For time being, I shall go with the sharp edged brush. See here. When I click here, I can increase the size. See, diameter of the brush. That is increased. Are you able to see that? The diameter. Choose the color here in the color palette at the bottom and increase Am I clear?
And sir,
Right.
for hardness,
Madam?
what is the hardness?
Hardness is, see here, when you increase hardness, see, look at here. I'm just reducing the hardness. See here, are you able to get it? When you increase hardness, look at here, I'm increasing the hardness. See, are you able to see that, madam? The featherness is reduced.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Am I clear, madam? Right now I have increased with sharpness, madam. Hardness, I just decrease it. See here, when I decrease it, the same brush, see here. Are you able to see the difference?
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. That is the difference between hardness and diameter. You know the purpose of diameter? Diameter is for the brush, right? Right. Okay. Now with the same brush, you have different variety of tools. Look at here. Variety of tools. Do you see that? See here, variety of tools are here. Now see here, 134. There is a number tool called 134. Look at here. I've selected it. And I go down, change the color. See, I go with green. And at the back, light green. Back color also light green. Okay, I've got that. See here. Are you able to see that? Are you able to see that? Are you able to see
Sir,
that?
please repeat. Sir, please repeat.
See, look at here. I just go to the brush. See, I just select brush tool. Go here on the top. Select. There is a brush tool called 134 in the brush section, right? How do you bring it? You click here and you get the brush palette. Okay. Among the brush palette, you have different variety of brush. You can be very creative in using those brushes. See, I'm using this one, 134. See, I've given green color at the bottom. See here, the color chosen is green color and the background color is also green color. Look at here. I'm dragging. Just like other brush. See? I increase the diameter. Now I show increasing the diameter. See, I increase the diameter. See the difference? Are you able to get it? Are you able to get it? See? An artificial meadow I'm creating. Are you able to create? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it.
So,
Right.
yes.
Okay, this is with this type of tool. Now I go for the next one. See here, I go for the next one. See, I have got star. See, with this tool, with this brush options, I can even generate a beautiful background. Can I do that? Can I generate a beautiful background for Christmas greetings or some other greeting? We can do that. Very well, we can do that. Before that, I would like to teach you one more method. Just I've selected rectangular marquee tool. Select the entire portion. Select the entire portion. Entire portion is selected. How do I select? You can drag or press Ctrl A. I've selected the entire portion. Now go to select. Please, I want you to write it down somewhere. Go to select, modify, border. Please write it.
Sir, please
select.
repeat, sir. Please repeat this step.
Madam, I have selected with the marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool. Have you noted? Okay. Then I go to select, modify, and border. Please note it down. Write it somewhere. Select, modify, and border. When I click here, it gives me option to enter some pixels. I just give 30 pixels, 30, 40, whatever it can, you can give it, right? 30 pixels. See here, I got a small border. Now here, I can do two ways. One is to fill with, see here, paint bucket. I use paint bucket. I just click over anywhere. See here, I got a border. Okay, green color border. Have you got it? Once again, I shall do that. Repeat that. See here, I'm using marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool to choose this portion. Okay, completely the background. Go to select, modify, border. I just give 40 or 50. See, I give 50 so that it looks better. 50, big border, right? I go with some, maybe this color, right? I've chosen a color. Go to paint bucket and give this color. See, when I click here, I get this color.
So we
This
can
is for
use
single.
we can use gradient also, sir.
Yeah, certainly. Why not? That's what I'm coming to say that.
Okay,
See, this
sir.
is with one color. You can even go for gradient. See here, I just use gradient color. You can go for any color. For example, see here, I shall go for this one, this combination. See here, I can just see here. Are you able to see that?
Yes,
See,
sir.
different colors, no, multiple colors, no? Okay, gradient border. Now, even with the brush tool, you can do this. Brush tool. See here, I just take a brush tool and look at here. I can increase the width. I can increase the width. See, with this increased. For example, look at here. See,
Which
for
tool you
example,
are
here and there.
in brush?
I use paint, madam. Paint, brush tool. See, here and there, I just draw something. It will also look beautiful. A kind of borders. Just brush tool. I've used brush tool. See here. Am I clear? The
Which
dotted.
number? Which number in brush tool?
Ordinary, anything, madam. Any brush. There's no specific. You need not bother about the numbers. Okay, look at here. I've chosen. See, I've chosen this. Look at here. You can choose any of these, whichever that suits you. Okay, suits your design. Okay, fine. Now, what I'm going to do? I'm going to just fill again with gradient. I've chosen gradient. I go for some good colors. Right. One minute. I'm receiving a call. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm sorry. Yes, 1 minute. Sir, I'm in class. Sir, I'm in class. Sir, apra call panni. I'm in class. Right. Now look at here. Right. I have chosen, see here, I just give it border. Now I have got a very plain borders, right? Plain color border. Have you got it? Look at here. Light color border. Okay. Right. I've used gradient tool. Now look at here. I've chosen brush tool. Go here and choose, see the star kind of up. Star 29. Brush number 29. Star. Now what do I do? See here, when I click here, see I'm getting small stars. Are you able to see that? Small ones.
Yes, sir.
Small ones. See, I just do it here and there. I just have the impression here and there, right? Now what I want to do, I want to increase the diameter. I increase the diameter. Now see, are you able to see that? See, am I clear? Now you get bigger one. Now if you want to increase still more, see here, I'm able to get bigger one, right? Am I clear? So like this, you can even go for different colors too, right? This is one. And one more option, see here at the bottom, you have got, see this tool. See, see the color, look at here. Are you able to see that? I want to go for change of colors. I want to go for blue in nature. See, change the color. I have changed the color here. See now. So you can make some beautiful backgrounds, simple backgrounds. Am I clear? Have you got it? You can increase the size. You can increase the size of the brush. See? Am I clear to you? You can increase the size and you can also decrease the opacity. See, when I decrease the opacity, see what happens? Same thing is coming, but with the light color tint, right? Are you getting it? See, I go for green color. Are you able to see that? The color is not that visible. See, I have reduced the opacity. When I increase the opacity, what happens? See here. I increase the opacity to 100. See here. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you?
Yes,
See,
sir.
there is also another brush. Now look at it. I show you with another brush. See, there are variety of brush. See here, one star like, see, small one. I just increase it and show you. See what happens. See. Are you able to see that? See, bigger one. You can reduce it and see. It will be beautiful. See here. Are you able to see that? Small one.
Yes, sir.
Small star like.
Sir, I am using the star and leaves, but it is not coming, sir.
No, it will come, madam. Just listen here. Then you do it, madam. Listen carefully. Then you do it, madam. See, whatever I do it, you follow it. Then you do it. Okay. Look at here, madam. I shall do star once again. See, I just click the brush. Go here. Choose the star. And press here, madam. It will work. What is the problem, madam? Why is that? Have you chosen the star? Have you chosen it, madam? Madam, have you chosen it? Madam?
sir, I have chosen. Yes, sir.
Yeah, select it. Then keep it here, madam. Just impress it. Okay, madam.
Sir, it is not coming.
So in mine also it is not coming. I have given the border, but when I'm selecting the star and pressing it here, it's not
Yes.
coming.
Yes, sir.
Same is in my case, sir.
No, no. Then you might have chosen white. What color is chosen? What color is chosen?
A red color. I have
color.
taken red color and one leaf. And sir, in this diameter 960.
That is too much. No, bigger one. No, bigger one. No. Now show me. Just one of you share your screen quickly. I'll have to finish on time, please. Quickly. Somebody can. No, madam. One of you can. Whoever doesn't get, please. Now I'm not able to see your screen. You can share some. One of you who didn't get, please share your screen. Not showing by camera.
Sir, my
Showing by camera will not work out. I cannot see. Okay, anyhow, I will try to. Now show me, madam. Yeah, just. Yeah, yes, madam. Show me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Click.
Yes, sir. I have clicked this and this.
Click inside, madam. Click inside, madam.
Yes, sir.
Click inside.
Inside also, sir. I am clicking.
No. I don't see your brush there. I don't see your brush inside.
See, look at here, sir.
Work area. No, bring it in the work area, madam. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is in the work area.
Okay. So show me the color at the bottom.
Yes, sir. Red color.
Okay. Now come back here. Come back.
Again, I am going here.
And look at the opacity. What is the opacity, madam?
Opacity.
What is the opacity?
Sir,
On the
100%.
top.
Yes, 100%, sir.
Click, maybe is the layer. Just show me the layer palette, madam. Quickly show me the layer palette.
Yes, sir.
Layer palette, madam. See, it is locked, madam. It is locked. Enable it. Double click it. Yeah.
But it is not coming, sir. Again.
Okay, madam. We shall see at the end, madam, please, because we'll have to finish on time today. I'll see. I'll help you at the end. Yes, madam. Right.
Yes.
Look at here. So I suppose all of you have got it. Then you can try at the end. Right? So I can choose any tool here. I can increase the opacity. I can decrease the opacity and make it light once. Right?
So
Yeah, I've
kindly,
got so many tools. See the. Yeah.
Your screen is not shared, sir.
Sometimes it is delayed. People should understand. When people ask queries, I have to answer. Because of that, we delay, and you will have to bear with.
sir, I asked to present. That's what I told you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Presentation. Your presentation was not seen.
No problem. I'm just telling you. Generally, not you. Generally, right? Look at there. I'm just changing it completely. Right. All right. Okay, fine. Now look at here. I just choose the brush tool again. I'm choosing this pink. See here, look at here, this leaf, Canadian leaf. I just choose this, and you can go with two colors. For example, red and it's red and green. See here, red and green. When I click here, see what happens. I just increase the diameter. See what happens. Are you able to see that? See here. See. See, I am able to create beautiful background. See, now I can also go with different colors. Now, see, I just use green color. No, next time when I click green color, next time I can go with blue color. See, blue color can be chosen. See, and next time I can go with some other color, maybe red one.
Sir, can you use
Yes,
different colors, like two colors? Is it possible?
No. See here, it will give you the related color. See, red means red related color. The pink, the orange one or something like that. No, it comes. Okay, it is not two color, single color, but it gives you light and dark. Okay, right. So you can also reduce the opacity. See, I'm reducing the opacity. When I reduce the opacity, see what happens. Are you able to see that? See, I have reduced the opacity.
Yes, sir.
So see here, I can keep it at, see, patterned background. No, I can have our own pattern background. No, see here. Am I clear to you? I'm able to make like this, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
These are all various tools, variety of tools, and the usage depends on your creativity. I just leave it to you, your creativity, right? With a brush. Once again, I show you this is brush, and these are the variety of brushes available. I have not even shown all the brushes because you can use it when you are free. Okay, today we don't have any exercise, so just when you are free, please see this. See this. This is also another tool, another brush. Are you able to see that? See a leaf? Are you able to see a leaf? Are you able to see a leaf? I'll show you. I increase the opacity. I increase the opacity. See here? Are you able to see that? See, I just go with green color. These are all beautiful tools. See, are you able to get it? I go with another green color. Okay. So these are all various tools are available. You can try with every tool. Okay. And next one is pencil. Next one is pencil. When I click on pencil, see the difference between pencil and brush is that I will show you with an example. I have chosen a brush. See on the top, see this brush. I increase. See this is brush. Okay, 85. I have chosen the brush type 85. And I go for pencil. Same 85. I'm just looking for 85. Okay, if 85 is not, it will be there somewhere. So I just choose 75, right? Look at the nature. It is very sharp. The edges are sharp. Edges are sharp. But here in brush, it is pencil. It will be sharp, no? Brush will be like more of feather type of nature, soft in nature, and pencil for more sharp paintings. Okay. Very rarely we use paintings. Occasionally, see for example, same leaf. I'm using it with pencil. I increase. See, are you able to see that? But with brush, it was nice, no? See, I just go with brush and choose the same Canadian leaf. I just increase the size. See here, are you able to see that? See, this is a kind of feathered one, and this is very sharp edges.
Yes.
That is the difference between pencil and pen. Okay, there is no much difference, but the edges are sharp with brush, and in pencil, pencil it is sharp, and brush it is feathered, little feathered. Okay. Now, the third one we are going with color replacement tool. Color replacement tool. It's really wonderful. I'll just show you with a model. I just go take a building for example, or maybe scenery, natural scenery. I'm just getting in a natural scenery. Okay, fine. I've got this. Imagine that I'm taking this picture, this yellow picture, yellow one, right? Yellow one. I'm taking this yellow one. It takes time. Yeah, it has come. It is loading. It is loading. I right click, copy and paste it. See, I have pasted it. I increase the size. See, I've got this. This looks yellow. The trees look yellow. I want to change it into green color. Now I use color replacement tool and click over the green color. Click over the green color and look at here. I just go increase the brush size. Are you able to see that? See here. See, I'm able to change the color in nature. Am I clear? See, I made it into green color. Not completely, but related color. Okay, related color, we are able to make it. And you can decrease the tolerance. See, when I decrease the tolerance, see what happens? It looks very light. It looks very light. When you increase, it will look very concrete, very much concrete or tinty. Right now, water, I want to increase little more color, little more maybe blue color. I just choose water, blue color, and see here. Are you able to see that? See, I'm making water with the same texture, but changing it as blue color. Right. So I will show you one more example so that you will understand a little more better. I take up a building. I take up a building. Now, no, maybe 1 minute. It is a bit slow. I'm sorry for it. Got the building. Yeah. Now what do? I just shall I have this building? Yeah, I shall take up this building. This building is chosen. Now I select it, copy, and bring it here. I brought the image here. Now look at here. I just have the color replacement tool. Okay, now I want to go for the only first floor. Only first floor on white color has to be replaced. So what do I use? I use magic wand tool. I click in the white color. See, all the white color is chosen, but the strips are not chosen. So what should I do? I have to press shift key and select. See, shift key and press C here, select it. Then everything is chosen automatically. Once again, I shall tell you. See here, first of all, I press magic wand tool. Press magic wand tool and select, click on that white. Okay. Now slowly go to quick selection tool and just click in that strip. See here, it is chosen one by one slowly. I just click over here. I just click over. Yeah, click, and all the points are selected. So all these colors are selected. Now I want to change the color. Imagine I'm going to change the color. Now go to color replacement, and what color you want? Maybe light blue. So I'm going to have blue color. See here. I'm just going to use that color. See here. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, are you able to see that? See, I'm able to see that. I'm changing it. And in the second floor, I click and change with some other color. Maybe green color. I choose green color and go with color replacement tool and use green color. See, are you able to get it? So slowly you'll have to do. Carefully you'll have to do. See, the green color appears. Right. Another model I shall show you. I choose the grassy area at the bottom. See, I'm choosing it with the rectangular marquee tool. Laser tool. Polygonal laser tool. I'm choosing this area. I've chosen this area. I'll have to carefully do it, not just in a hurry. Okay. I'm sorry. I've chosen it and click the color replacement tool. The green color is there. See here what happens. Am I clear? See, it looks like greeny meadow. A similar way, I want to make it here at the bottom. See here, this one. So what should I do? I have to choose this area. I'm choosing this area. And I can use color replacement tool. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm using quick selection also so that I can select it quickly. See, yeah, I've chosen. Now what do I do? Slowly, I just use, color replacement tool. I just go with green color. Look at here. It appears in green color, green in nature, right? So like this, you can change the color of the tree. For example, I want to make the tree. See here. When I use color replacement tool, see what happens. See. Are you able to see that? See, all the trees become reddish. I can make it as it is. I don't change anything. Only the color of the tree and the other selected places, change it into some other color. Okay, you can make it. Right. This is with regard to color replacement. You can make the building different colors. For example, your own building, if you want to show it a new look in the calendar or something, you can do this. So this is color replacement. Even for human face shirt, I will give you one more example with human shirt. I'm just choosing a picture of an actor.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
Sir, how did you paste the color, sir?
Now, which one, sir?
How did you paste the color, sir, from the color replacement tool?
Sir, you choose that color brush and you can paint it. Just paint it. That's all. You can
Paint
choose
with the
the color
brush,
and
sir.
paint it. For example, look at here. Just carefully note it what I'm doing.
Okay, sir.
See, I just copy. I have it here. See, I have this man, Vadivelu, right? I have chosen. Now I want to choose that only the color of only the shirt I want to choose. See here, I just choose magic wand tool. I'm choosing the color. Now I click using quick selection tool so that the color of shirt is chosen. I've chosen the shirt, right? Now I select the brush tool. Select the brush tool. Sorry, just color replacement tool. Select the color replacement tool and change the color that you want. For example, I want a blue color, so I have chosen blue color. Now look at here. I'm just replacing the color. That's all. I'm replacing the color carefully. It should not go with the body. Only the shirt you should use it, right? So accordingly, you'll have to choose. Am I clear to you? Now see here, the color
Okay,
of
sir.
the shirt color is changed. Now I would like to show you one more model. See, I have chosen and go with maybe green color. I have chosen green color and go to color replacement tool, choose it and change the color. See, the texture will be there. Same texture will be there. Only the color of the shirt, if the chosen area will alone be changed. See here. Button, everything looks, you don't change anything, but the color of the shirt is changing, right? Am I clear? So you'll have to carefully choose, select the color. Am I clear? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Have we got it? Yeah, this is color replacement tool, right? Color replacement tool. So I suppose you are all very clear with brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool. Please work on it. Now I'm going to give you one more demo. Two more options. With that we end up today. I go on the top, image. See, I have chosen an image. The Vadivelu picture is chosen. I go to image, adjustments, and click brightness. When I click brightness, see the brightness is increased. Am I clear? It is increased or decreased. See contrast. I increase the contrast. Increase the brightness. I can also increase the contrast. Am I clear? Increase the brightness and increase the contrast. Okay, right. Am I clear to you? Once again, I shall show that. See, it was previously like this and like
Excuse me,
now
sir,
it has
so
become
I have
like this.
chosen the blue color, but it comes very light blue color.
Madam?
Sir, I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
chosen the dark blue color,
Yeah.
but it comes very, very light blue color.
Yeah, you choose the color accordingly, madam. You just try to choose different colors, madam. Try to choose different colors. Okay, madam.
But sir, it comes very light.
Madam, color replacement tool, it will not exactly be applied, madam. Exactly, it will not be applied. See here, you increase the tolerance, madam. Increase and decrease the tolerance and adjust. See on the top, you see tolerance, no?
100%, sir, 100%.
Decrease it and see. Based on the color, see, you will not get it exactly. It will, see, the lighter part of the color will be applied. Not the dark color fully will be applied.
Excuse me, sir. How to see this brightness? You have.
Yeah, one by one, madam. See, I just go to image, adjustments, brightness. Am I clear? Image, adjustments, and brightness.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
So it can be, see here, it can be increased. Brightness can be increased, and the contrast also can be increased. It can be decreased also. If it is too bright, if it is too contrast, you can decrease it. So you can improve the picture. Am I clear? Look at here. It was like this, but now it is improved. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, I go to adjustments. Yeah. Yes, I think too many mics are on. I'm not able to get you people. Too many mics are on, please. I'm sharing the attendance for purpose of those people who are leaving. The attendance link is given. You can share it. Sorry, you can fill it. The attendance link is given. Those who would like to go for your prayers and other things, being Friday, you can leave. Now, final thing that I'm just giving you, look at here. I just go with image, adjustments, And one more option that I'm going to tell you is that hue saturation. Hue saturation. Hue saturation is that hue saturation. See, for example, I just choose a portion, for example, the same shirt. See, for example, I'm choosing the same shirt. Look at here what happens. I'm selecting the shirt by pressing shift key. By pressing shift key, I can go on continuously choose, or you can even go for quick selection so that it will be very quickly selected. Now, quick selection tool will also go with other portions. See here, this body is also selected. Now look at here. I go on the top, image, adjustments, hue saturation. I click on it, hue saturation, and see here. Am I able to see that? See, I can change different colors. See here. The color of the shirt or color, the chosen area is chosen. See here. I've chosen this green and I can saturate it. See, I can make it mild. I can make it light, increase or decrease. See, three options are there. Hue saturation that will increase colors, saturation that will increase, see here, dark and light. Sorry, saturate the color. See here, this is dark and bright. Am I clear? This is hue saturation. You can make it, for example, instead I want to go for choosing his face. See here. For example, look at here, I just go with, yeah. I've chosen. Now I go for hue saturation. See, image and hue saturation, right? Control U. For selecting it, control U. See, look at here. Am I clear? See, different kinds of face. And you can saturate it. See, you can increase it and you can saturate it. Am I clear? So this is how you can make use of this tool: image, adjustments, brightness and contrast, and hue saturation. Okay. So I think I have given you, this is what given you in the morning. So now you can ask for clarification. 10 minutes more. You can now ask for clarification. Now you can come one by one. You can ask for clarification.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, if we
Yes,
click on the color replacement brush,
Yeah.
then, sir, what should be the setting? Diameter, hardness, spacing, or angles?
Madam, nothing. See, look at here. I just click on diameter. See, diameter, the brush that you use, madam, it's up to you. It's up to
Okay.
you. For example, see,
It
for
is for
example,
brush.
see, it depends on your usage, madam. It depends on your usage. The color that you need and the gap that you need, it depends. I will tell you the meaning of that. You have to define it, right? Look at here. When I click here, the diameter is the brush size. For example, when I click here, see the diameter. When I one click, see big one. If I increase the diameter a little more, see here, one click, see what happens.
And sir, what is the tolerance? Tolerance, it should be off or pen pressure?
Yeah, 1 minute. I will come back. You asked for diameter. See, I'm telling you diameter. Diameter is the width of the brush, right? Diameter of the brush.
Clear,
And
sir.
the hardness is thick. You can reduce the hardness. See, when I reduce the hardness, see what happens. See, very light it is.
Yeah.
See, it is not so hard. It is very feathered effect. It gives you, the brush gives you feathered effect, right? And spacing, for example, see, when I click spacing, see what happens. 1 minute. See here, I just reduce it and go for spacing, increased spacing. See here, am I clear? When I drag it, each paint that comes, it depends. There is a gap. See here, I continuously drag, but there is a gap between each stroke. See, I continuously draw, but first click and the next one, see, there's a gap. So spacing. Okay, these are three, madam. And with regard to 1 minute, with regard to tolerance, I'm just showing you. But yeah, I just click the color replacement tool and click the tolerance is 31, madam. Okay, now I am increasing. See what happens. Are you able to see it, madam?
Sir, but in tolerance of pen pressure and stylus wheel, it is coming.
Madam?
Yes.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, in tolerance, 3 options are there.
Yeah. Tell me, madam, tell me those options.
Sir, off, pen pressure, and stylus wheel.
See, you can choose all these things, madam. There will be mild difference, madam. That's all. See, all these options, all these nodes will give you mild difference. But you understand the purpose of this tool, and the tolerance will increase the opacity or decrease the opacity. Okay. And when you choose these models, that give you mild difference, so that accordingly you can see when you want to go for a minute design or minute work that you want to do. In that case, you will have to use these 3 out of these 3 options that is for you. You will have to choose the best one. Okay, madam. Just get to know on your own. Just select that and apply. Just see. Next one, select that and apply and see the difference. You'll be able to understand. What is the version that you are using, madam?
So Windows 7.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
But sir,
See
in
here, even
colors are not coming, sir, in the shirt. Now I have chosen the one shirt and
Yeah.
take red color, and according to this, colors are not coming, sir.
That's why, madam, I think your setting has to be. I have to see your screen, madam. Only then I can give you answer.
Okay.
But you are
Okay.
showing the camera. I cannot see it properly.
Okay.
You
Okay,
have to
sir.
share the screen. I will be able to see. Follow what I give you. Look at here. I'm just choosing color replacement tool. I just drag or see. I just reduce the space. Look at here.
Yes, sir.
I'm replacing the color. See, that's all. I'm getting it. Am I clear, madam?
Yes, sir, but in my laptop it is not coming, sir.
Maybe some settings. See there on the top, madam. What is chosen, madam, on the top? See mode. What is chosen?
Color,
Look at
sir, color.
Color only, no? Okay. See, look at here. See the first one chosen? First one. This
First
one.
one. What, sir?
Here, what
Yes,
is there
yes,
here?
yes.
Contiguous?
What
What is
one,
here?
sir?
What is
Yes,
here? Is it contiguous, madam, in limit?
yes, sir.
The
And
tolerance?
tolerance, 62%.
Increase it, madam. Increase it and see. And here anti-alias is chosen or not?
Okay, sir. 100%. And then anti, it is tick mark.
Okay. Then, madam, have you chosen? I think your background is not chosen. You choose some other picture, madam. Copy some other picture and print. Take it in your
Okay, sir.
background.
I'll try.
Go with new
Hello,
file.
sir.
Madam. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Sir, I need to know my registration number once again, sir.
Sir,
I need to know my registration number, sir. Registration number.
it was given on the other day, no, sir. You didn't remember? You don't remember?
Sorry, sir. I have deleted it accidentally.
256, sir. 256. Please carefully note it, sir, somewhere. 256.
Oh,
256.
before that, sir.
Sir?
Before that.
Before that means what? What are you asking before that?
I need to know my registration number in full form, sir.
Okay.
20 VGD.
Yeah, 20 VGD, ma. 20 VGD.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You please talk to me later. Yeah. You please talk to me later, Balaji, so that I can maybe in the evening or tomorrow morning. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please, you can leave. You can fill the attendance. You can leave. That's why I've left a little earlier today. You can leave for church or you can leave for worships because it's being Friday. You can leave. No problem. Any other clarification?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Sir, the screen also, can you see my screen?
Madam, 1 minute.
Screen, sharing my screen.
No, your screen is not visible. I think Rashmi Jindal, madam, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
You are the one speaking?
Rashmi Jindal is speaking, sir.
Yeah. Yes, madam. Tell me, madam.
Screen is visible.
Yeah, your screen is visible. Your phone is visible, madam. Yeah.
How can I select the colors? This one, this face and all, like you were telling about the shirt.
No, I'm not
color.
able to see the screen, madam. I'm not able to see your screen. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other? Any clarification? Any
Sir,
clarification? Yeah.
I did, sir, but I had a power cut so that I can't finish it, sir.
No problem, no problem. You can make it later, dear. You can make it later. No problem. No problem. So I want you all to join by 5 o'clock tomorrow or either 10 o'clock, 5 or 10. Don't forget, 5 or 10.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, tomorrow we are having breakfast in our college. So, how can we participate in the test?
Kanna, retreat for whole day, va? 5 o'clock it will be over, pa.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can join by 5, Kanna. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes, pa. Yes, pa.
Sir, at the starting of the class, you told that you have to use that brush tool. I used, sir,
Yes.
but I got the tool and I got the color and I did it, sir. But after that,
Yeah.
that I made that border line. Then I did
Yeah.
the brush is not working, sir. What's the reason, sir? Maybe.
You share your screen, pa. Let me check it.
So that's what I told power cut, sir. I can't. I am.
Oh,
looking
sorry.
forward.
I couldn't figure it out, Raja, because when I see it, I'll be able to just make it.
Okay, sir. I'll show.
Yeah,
possible.
yeah. Please share it. Maybe even tomorrow or some other day. You can share it. I'll be able to help you. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Any other clarification?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
We can ask something which is taught earlier.
Yeah. Please. No problem.
Sir,
Anything.
that passport size photo, na, that in the court you have to fix. Na,
Yeah.
that was
Yes, madam. Go ahead.
yes, sir.
Madam,
That
please go ahead. Yes, madam, please go ahead. I'm not getting you properly. Please
Okay, sir.
proceed.
Sir, that was how to make a passport size photo. Fixing this head in this in the body, na, that passport size photo that you have taught.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Tell me, madam.
So that I wanted to know if you can just please explain it.
Madam, I shall tell you the idea. The video is available. You can see that. But in that, what area you want to cover? You want to have entire lecture, or you want to have only that portion? Because it is of. It will take
That
time.
portion only, sir. That portion only.
Which portion, madam? That's what it is. A big. See, it will take 10 to 15 minutes demonstration. I am asking you which part you want to know from that. You want it completely?
Yeah, sir. Complete that action, na, because that time that Photoshop was not working properly. I was new, na. That is why I was not able to cope up. So
No problem.
that
Can you
portion
use
is
that
left,
video,
sir.
madam? Can you use that video? Video is available. I will ask
Yeah, sir.
Mr. Mani sir to post it again because the video is available. Okay, madam.
Okay,
So you
sir.
can
Okay.
even search. Mani sir, could you please post the video passport design in the group so that they will be able to use? Yeah, madam is asking now.
That video,
Passport
sir,
design.
I am having that video, sir.
Yeah.
I will do it again. Whatever the point, just I will feel na, that I will ask you, sir.
Please ask, madam. Please ask. Feel free to
Okay.
ask, madam.
Thank you,
Feel
sir.
free to
Thank
ask,
you, sir.
madam. There, see, I shall tell you some procedure alone. See, for example, you'll have to crop the face with the help of polygonal tool, madam. Look at here. I just tell you the tool. See, this is the tool you'll have to use, madam. Look at here, madam. Madam, are you able to see that? Look at here. The polygonal tool or laser tool. You will have to crop the head properly. Okay, madam. Crop it properly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Crop it properly. And you will have to fit it into a coat. That's all. See, I'm making Control C and Control V. So I've got another head. Say, for example, okay. I'll have to bring a coat. I just bring a coat, for example. You just bring a coat from internet. Maybe passport size coat, for example, passport size coat. You will have so many options. For example, look at here. You can choose from here anyway, whatever that you want. See, I'm choosing this one, or you can choose any other things, right? Which looks good. Okay. So anything can be chosen. I have chosen this. Right click, copy, and bring it here. Paste it. You got it? Now I want to cut everything. So what should I do? I have to put magic wand tool. So everything is cut. I delete that portion. Then fix it. Fix the head properly. Okay, madam. So it is not the right method because I've not cut it properly. I will have to cut the coat properly. and cut the face properly, then merge it. Okay, madam. Then other
Yes.
things you can please go through the video, madam. Go through the video. Okay, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Any other clarification? So can you send the attendance? Yeah, I am sending you the attendance link again. It is there in the screen. I'm sending you the attendance link again. Yeah. Are you getting the attendance link? Are you getting the attendance link?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Any other clarification? If you have no clarification, we shall call it a day. Tomorrow we shall meet in the exam test at 5 and come assemble. I'll give you instruction, then you can go for the test. Am I clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Actually, sir, one more, just a little request, sir. Actually, whenever this type of test will be there, please just tell us beforehand, because these days are going very busy, and tomorrow too we have to stay in the school 3 o'clock
Okay,
after
madam.
the exam. So it will be little difficult. We will give the exam, but please next time.
Yeah, I will
just-
certainly. I'm sorry for the short notice. I've already planned. I've said in the first one. So it is 10 days between gap,
And also,
frequency
it
of
will
10
be
days.
better to take on Sunday, because Sunday we will be free from the school schedule. So in the morning also you can take, if it is
The
possible.
Sunday,
if all
but
agrees, if
others,
all
what
agrees,
about others?
Yeah, sir,
Sunday,
if
but
all
everyone may not, madam. Sunday, everyone may not take it, madam. I shall maybe
okay.
exempt to you maybe tomorrow evening only, madam. You just during the working
Yeah,
hour
sir,
only.
I will join
Yeah,
tomorrow
just-
evening, no problem. But
next time I'll consult and
Yeah.
accordingly I'll plan, madam. I'm sorry, madam,
Okay,
this
sir.
time.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
sorry.
No, sir, it's
So
no need to
you
worry.
can
Thank you
take
so much.
time. For example, if you want to take time for submission, you can make
Yeah,
a,
sir, in Google Forms, so I'll take, in Google Classroom, so I'm taking time.
yeah.
The previous one I have not, that I have sent you the request also,
Yeah, yes,
when
madam.
the
Yes,
exam
madam.
over, I will send all this.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
So now, sir, please see my screen and why it is not coming. This
Yeah,
brush tool.
madam. Why don't you have Google Meet in the computer, madam, and share the screen, madam? It will be very easy for me to clarify, madam.
Excuse me, sir, that problem is with me also. And when I have taken the new page, then that
Yeah, it
leaves and
works.
that all coming. But when we have
Yeah.
given the border, then we were
Yeah.
putting that figures, then that time that is not coming.
Now I have
No,
taken
it
the
will
new
work.
page. Again, I have taken the new page now.
Show me,
But-
madam. Show me.
Okay, sir. Sir, this shirt.
Yeah,
it
very
is
good, madam.
okay. Now it is okay. But sir, this leaf, I have taken this leaf.
1 minute. Show me, madam. I'm not able to see that.
And
Please
sir,
show me your screen, madam.
yes, I am showing, sir.
No, madam, it is not. Yeah, I'm getting it, madam. Right, you see, madam, how many layers that you have? You choose the layer properly, madam. How many layers you have? Only
Sir,
how many layers?
Only 2 layers, sir.
Okay.
And now I have selected on the original layer. Background.
1 minute, madam. 1 minute, madam. ஐயா நான் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேங்கய்யா வகுப்புல இருக்கேன் இது இல்ல இருங்க நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் கிளாஸ்ல தான் இருக்கேன் கொஞ்ச நேரம் நான் கூப்பிடுறேன் எஸ் டெல் மீ மேடம் எஸ் மேடம்
Yes, sir. I have clicked on layer 0. That means on
Okay.
background. Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yes. Now I have clicked on the brush tool and take
Yeah.
this leaf.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And
Yeah.
color is blue.
Yes, madam. Okay, madam.
But it is not coming, sir. Look at here.
Yeah, but I'm not able to see your screen, madam. It's very blurred, so I'm not able to see the details inside. See, for example, if anything is reduced or other, you use other tool, madam. Use other brush. Let me check.
Okay. Suppose if I taken this
Ordinary brush. Just take ordinary brush. No need of grass and all. Take ordinary brush. Let me check.
ordinary brush, like okay, this 19 number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, nothing is coming, sir.
That's what, madam. I am not able to see a screen. You see, you are showing it in the mobile. No, I'm not able to see the things which are there.
Sir,
This
mode
will be-
is normal.
Just
Opacity,
use the brush, madam. Just use the brush. Increase the diameter, madam. Increase the diameter and see.
Okay, sir. Full.
Yeah.
Nothing is coming, sir. And mode is normal, sir.
Okay.
And opacity 100%.
It
And
usually works,
flow
madam.
also 100%.
Then why it is not working for you?
And layer also.
Opacity,
chosen.
opacity 100%. No opacity.
Yes, 100%, sir. And flow is also 100%.
Okay, madam. I don't know, madam. I'm not able to see the details, madam. Could you please connect your screen desktop to Google Meet and share it?
Not possible, sir. There is a problem in laptop.
Okay, because I'm not able to see the details there. I'm not able to see the details there. That's why I couldn't give you any solution, madam. Usually it comes.
Layer also, it is selected, not locked.
Yeah, then no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
That mode is given in the on the top, na normal mode, and then dissolve. It dissolves the mode. It's not activated, maybe.
No, not because of that, madam. You just choose normal. That's not a problem. Normal will do. Normal will do. I'll have to check it, madam. I'm not able to see her screen. I'm able to roughly see what is there in the screen, but I'm not able to see what is exactly there. That's why I'm unable to give her a solution. Usually it comes.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will try then.
Yeah. Maybe if you could share your screen through some means, I'll be able to help, madam.
Okay, I will
I'm
try.
sorry. Yeah. Any other clarification? If there are no clarifications, shall we call it a day? Madam Anu Goyal, madam, I'm giving you one more option. If you could share your screen with Mr. Mani, desktop, any desk is there?
Okay, sir.
Any desk is there?
Pardon, sir?
Do you have any desk software, madam? Any
No,
desk
sir.
software?
Yes, any desk. I will. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will consult with Mani, sir. No?
And
Yeah,
sir, please
please,
share
please, please.
today's video also.
Yeah, sure, madam. Sure, madam. Anu, madam, don't worry. I will somehow sort the problem. Okay. Don't worry.
sir.
Don't give up.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have instructed Mani sir already. Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you. So Mani sir will take care of you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.